Congratulations, you finally decided on a profitable ebook topic that people are actually searching for on the internet. The next thing that we are going to do is we're going to dive straight into writing the book. Now, this is the part where so many people struggle. People have amazing book ideas, amazing digital product ideas, but they have no way of implementing that and putting all those ideas in a way that actually makes sense. So in this lesson, I'm going to be showing you guys a very easy way that you can go out there and start writing your ebook, okay? Even if you have no idea where to start. Awesome. So now we know exactly what we want to write our book around. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead to Chat GPT. Again, I'll leave a link below this video, guys. It's a free app, and you can literally just go on there and register for your free account. Now, Chat GPT is an AI tool that has just transformed the world in recent times, especially entrepreneurs and creators, who want to save time, who are looking for ideas, inspiration. This is just revolutionary right now. And if you're not tapping into this platform, you are missing out on a gold mine, okay? There's never been a better time to write the digital products than right now, okay? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to go to ChatGPT. Now, they do have a premium version, but I don't recommend that you upgrade to Plus because honestly, 3.5 has everything that you need right now, okay? So what you want to do is you want to go to ChatGPT, and then we're going to tell ChatGPT to write us an ebook based on the topic that we've just chosen. So I'm just going to go there and say, please write an ebook on the topic raw food diet for dogs. Okay, so you can do this exact same thing, guys. Write an ebook on the topic and then just key in whatever. Oh, God, sorry, guys. Key in whatever topic you've decided to go with, okay? And then let's just do a search and let ChatGPT work its magic. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Awesome. That's literally taken, I don't know, less than 10 seconds, guys, to produce a whole book outline, as you can see right here. Okay, guys, to do is I want you guys to go to Google Drive. Okay, if you don't have Google Drive yet, I'll leave a link below this video. Register for a free Google Drive account because that's where we're going to be writing our ebooks. Okay, so if I just go to my Google Drive, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over here and click on new. I already have a Google Drive account. I'm going to go to new, and then I'm going to go to Google Docs. Okay, we're going to be using Google Docs to write our ebooks. Again, if you don't have a Google Drive account, please go create one. This is the easiest way to write your ebooks. Some people recommend that you use Canva, but I find Canva not very user-friendly in terms of just formatting your book. Google Drive is the easiest way to do it. It's free from distraction, and you can see exactly what you're doing, and you can format things easily as well. So what we are going to do now is we're going to copy that. If you just click here, that's going to copy the content. And then if you go to your Google Drive, right? And then we're just going to paste that there. You can right click and paste. Awesome. So now we have a book outline, okay, on what different topics we're going to be talking about. So awesome. So what we're going to do now is, of course, we're not just going to write a book. This is literally like, what, 2 pages long. So what we want to do is we want to go back to ChatGPT, right? And then we want to ask ChatGPT to expand on these chapters, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say, please expand on chapter 1. And you're going to do this for all the different chapters. So we have about 8 to 10 chapters here. So you want to go back and ask ChatGPT to expand on all these chapters. So you can see they're literally expanding on the first chapter. So again, you want to copy that, go over here, right? And then I'm just going to go here and I'm just going to remove that section. And I'm just going to paste what we just copied on ChatGPT. Okay. So now you can see we have a whole chapter there right now, okay? And then you want to do the exact same thing. If you wanted them to expand even further, you can actually go ask them to expand on the different points. So if you wanted them to expand on, let's go back to chapter 1. You can actually go and say expand on what is raw food diet for dogs, the history. If you know you don't have enough word count, then you can go ask them to expand even further. Now, in terms of your ebook length, I always recommend to have at least 30 pages. That's kind of like a good average for a short ebook that is straight to the point and it's telling people exactly what to do, but it's also not just 10 pages long, right? And because you want to justify why people are actually paying for that book, this means you have to go a little bit in depth, not too in depth to the point where people get overwhelmed, because the point of an ebook is to make it as short and straight to the point as possible. So if the content of the ebook seems kind of short, then you want to make sure that you're expanding again on this point more in depth. So you can say, please expand on, the nutritional principles behind raw food diet. Then ChatGPT is going to go even deeper, guys, into it. Okay. Again, want to do the same thing? Please expand on chapter 2, right? You can either type it here or you can just come here and just edit it. There we go. Benefits of a raw food diet. Now it's doing its thing. Guys, this is insane. Can you see why people are able to write ebooks in literally 2 hours? Less than 2 hours, you could have your ebook up and running using ChatGPT. Okay. So again, I'm going to come here. I'm just going to delete that section and I'm just going to paste it with the new content. Okay. Now we have 2 chapters ready to go. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do it with all the other chapters, guys. And then I'll come back and show you guys how you can actually go on and actually format this ebook. Okay. So it looks nice and catchy and captivating to your audience. Okay.